Well, what do you think, folks? Looks to me like we got a storm going on. I'm not sure whether some robbing's going on or not. This was a split I did a couple of weeks ago, double screen board, and boy, we got beef all over the place. One just stung me. Whew. Well, I think I'll get out of here. They don't like me right now. Got split in the, got stung in the lip. Yeah, that don't feel very good. Oh well, I guess I won't do that again. I still got a bee chasing me now. I killed her, but she got me right by the eye just before I did it. Ah. Well, I'll stay away from there. In the meantime, flowers are blooming. Well, how about that? I'm gonna stay away from that place.